Hello everyone, my name is Joshua and I'm going to teach you how to install Audacity into your computer if you're using a Mac OS book, Catalina. Sometimes you want to avoid going back to an older version, so this is a shortcut how. First, you have to open up the terminal and you have to paste a specific command, which I'll include in the description or comments below. Once you click enter, you see that exit sign and it'll automatically open the Audacity program. It might open another terminal program, but that's fine. Now you go to your input options, your mic input options. It could show in built-in microphone. You want to switch it to whatever audio device you want. In my case, it's Blue Snowball. But in case you don't see it, you have to go to the transport drop-down button, transport drop-down option. Sorry, you can't see it in my computer. Then you go to rescan media options. Once it does that, you might find your input device in that selection in the drop down below. Now, if you don't see it, another way to do it is to plug in your audio input device into the computer and restart your Audacity program again via the same directions I gave you. And so now you can test if it works by hitting the record button and then recording a small sample. And you can tell if it's working if you hear noisy effects in the background. Usually that means your mic is not input correctly. Or if it's clear cut, then you could definitely tell the difference. The reason I'm posting this is because I couldn't find any clear directions from the internet. As a matter of fact, it's in the Audacity website, but it was a bit hard to find those directions. So I hope this will shortcut it. Please share it with all your friends who have Catalina's MacBook. And if these don't help, please post any alternative solutions you find in the comments below.